I can't tell you the number of databases that we've come across that still have their original factory
Password
passwords.
passwords. Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah.
That, I mean, that makes sense, right? So make sure that you don't use and leave any of the defaults, right? Make sure that you change all of that when you're doing the install, because the defaults are out there for everyone to see for sure.
That's exactly right. And in fact, I've seen it like in companies of a good size where people are Googling what the default password on their database is so they can get into it. I'm like, all right, this is a little bit of a security risk here, guys.
And,
You might want to do.
and I don't think you have to have like any of the high priced fancy EDR solutions that a lot of enterprises have, but even from a small and medium sized business, um, most small and medium sized businesses, I would say they may use things like Microsoft, right? Microsoft does a pretty
Yeah.
good job of catering to that particular group. And if you look at their security solutions that they include these days, I mean they're pretty good. Like their Defender, and a lot of
Oh yeah.
their CASB, just the different things that you can use just as a part of um, running servers through them or having email through them that they include are actually pretty good. So it doesn't have to be anything, high price that you would find at an enterprise level per se.